Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto with KuCoin. First, you will need to set up your KuCoin account. Begin by registering with your email or phone number, then create a strong password. It is highly recommended to complete identity verification, often called KYC, to access full platform features and higher transaction limits. Finally, enable two-factor authentication immediately for robust security, protecting your assets from unauthorized access. Once your account is ready, the next step is funding it. You have several convenient options. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, directly using a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. Alternatively, explore the peer-to-peer marketplace to purchase crypto from other users. If you already own crypto, simply transfer it from another wallet or exchange to your KuCoin deposit address. With funds in your account, you are ready to place your order. Head to the Buy Crypto section or the Spot Trading interface. Here, you will select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and the currency you are using to buy it. You can choose a market order for immediate execution at the current price, or a limit order to buy when the price reaches your specified target. After selecting your order type and amount, carefully review all the details before confirming your purchase. Once confirmed, your newly acquired cryptocurrency will promptly appear in your KuCoin main or trading account. For enhanced long-term security, especially for larger holdings, consider transferring your assets to a hardware or cold wallet, providing an extra layer of protection against online threats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.